Hi and welcome to Blackburn Audi. My name's Fiona and today I'm going to be giving you a quick tour of this stunning Audi S3 Saloon that we've just got into stock here at Blackburn. It's finished in the incredibly unique Python yellow paint, and starting at the front of the car we have the stunning Audi Matrix LED headlights with LED rear lights, making sure you have maximum visibility on all your journeys. It's also complemented with a 19-inch design alloy wheels, which are diamond cut finish, and we also have the S brake calipers, really adding to the sport styling. This car also comes with the door mirrors, which are electrically adjustable and heated, as well as folding. And in the back we have the parking sensors, just making sure you can park this saloon in any space as easy as possible. We also have a really spacious boot, amazing for any shopping trips. And this car does give 310 PS and is a petrol engine, so you definitely will not struggle for power in this S3. As it is an Audi approved car, it also comes with 1 year's roadside assistance. And moving on to the stunning interior, we have the fully leather super sport front seats with the contrast white stitching and S embossed logo. You can't get any more luxury than that. We also have the Quattro detailing, as this car is a 4-wheel drive system, perfect for all roads and all weathers. Here we have the sat-nav display, fully touchscreen, really good if you do travel a lot as it's really detailed and easy to navigate. Telephone Bluetooth Connect, really good for them hand-free calls on the go, as well as external media player, DAB digital radio for your entertainment. And we also have the Audi Drive Select feature, which allows the driver to put the car into any mode they would like. For example, dynamic for that sportier drive, or we also have efficiency if you're going on a longer drive and want to save some fuel. We also have the extended ambient lighting pack, which allows the driver to be able to change the colours of the light inside and the intensity, really adding to the moods of the car. They can pick from around 30 different colours. Just below we have the electronic dual zone climate control, so there's no arguments with the temperature. Here we have the amazing heated seats, just another added luxury for them winter months, as well as the keyless go and S-tronic gearbox and electromechanical parking brake. Moving on to the driver's side, we have the stunning virtual cockpit here with the sat-nav telephone and radio display, so the driver doesn't even have to look away from the road. This car's only done 1,558 miles, so it's extremely low mileage. We have the multifunctional flat bottom steering wheel with the S badging at the bottom, really adding to the sports interior design, as well as cruise control with speed limiter, making this car a dream for motorway drives, and gear shift paddles if you do like to be more in control of your automatic. Automatic lights making those journeys a bit easier, and the electric door mirror controls. SOS button if you do need any roadside assistance, really accessible for you there on the roof. And we can't forget the Bang & Olufsen premium sound system with 3D sound, transforming your in-car entertainment. So if you are interested, we have some amazing offers on, so please call 012 54 868 216.